Have you ever experienced some frustration in Kajabi where you have some text that you want to underline, but there is no option in the editing box for you to be able to add that underline? Thankfully, it is a really quick fix. And in this Kajabi quick tip video, I am going to show you how you can add underline easily with a tiny bit of simple code. So let's just say we wanted to underline this word successful. Well, we can go into our source code and we can add a bit of HTML code. Luckily, this is very easy. Even if you are adverse to code or a code hater like myself, I know you're going to be able to do this. So we want to add a bracket, a triangle bracket. U is the code for underline. And we can, at the beginning of the word that we want underlined, add bracket, U, close bracket. Then at the end, we add another bracket, slash to end the formatting that we want, U again, and close bracket. So we've got this little bit of code here, which I will put in the comments of this video. So put that around the word that you want and da-da, you will have that underlined. Press save and you will be able to add that anywhere in Kajabi where there is a text box and a formatting option, and underline is not one of the options that you see.